In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos in Zoho Projects. Adding images is a great way to keep your project information clear and visual, especially when you're dealing with design work, screenshots, or anything that's easier to explain with a picture than with text. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on attaching photos directly to a task, which is usually the best option when the image relates to a specific piece of work. First, go ahead and open the task you want to add a photo to. This might be a bug you're logging, a design change request, or any work item where a visual reference will help your team understand what needs to be done. Make sure you're in the correct project and that you've selected the right task, so the photo ends up in the most useful place. Once the task is open, look for the Attachments area. In Zoho Projects, this is typically represented by a paperclip icon, and it's often labeled Attachments. Click on that tab to open the attachment panel. This is where all files related to the task will live, including images, documents, and any reference materials your team might need. Now you're ready to add your photo. You have two main options here. The first option is to click the button that says Upload File. When you do that, a file browser window will open on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your photo is stored, select the image you want to attach, and confirm the upload. Give it a moment to process, especially if the file is large. The second option is even quicker. You can simply drag and drop the photo into the Attachments window. Just open the folder on your computer where the image is saved, click and hold the file, then drag it over to the Attachments area in Zoho Projects and release it. The upload should start automatically. After the photo finishes uploading, make sure it appears in the attachments list for that task. If needed, you can rename the file to something more descriptive so your teammates immediately know what it is. From here, anyone with access to the task will be able to view or download the photo, keeping all the relevant visuals tied directly to the work item they support.